Welcome back. You will want to have some kind of email system that will allow you to market to the people that have already purchased to you, as well as stay in contact with them throughout the period of your product launch. And if you don't have a service available, you can go to your favorite search engine. You can type in the word Autoresponder, and you're going to see a number of choices available, as well as blog posts recommending which one may be best for you. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to look at the service called MailChimp. And what you're going to want to do when you start an account inside of an autoresponder is you're going to want to create a specific holding area, which MailChimp calls an audience. In other cases, other autoresponders will call it a list. And this will be the storage area for the names and email addresses for the customers that are purchasing your product. Now, in this holding area, which is called a list or audience, you're also going to be able to capture the names, the email addresses of individuals that come to your brand but are not yet ready to purchase. If you already have names and email addresses, you will be able to add them manually to the specific audience or list that you have. Now, in this case, for the autoresponder service that we are using, there are two different audiences that we are working with, and we only need one in order to connect to our sales system so that when customers make a purchase, they'll be added to this specific list. And we will use this list to design specific email correspondence to help us to market additional products and services to the individuals that have purchased. And we will take this autoresponder system and connect it to our sales system in another video. Now, it's important to note that if you are going to use a specific sales system, you're going to want to make sure that that sales system works with the autoresponder that you're using, or the autoresponder that you choose will connect to the sales system that you choose to use in order to take payment for your products and services. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.